Now take in a deep breath and hold it for as long as it's comfortable. Feel the muscles in your chest as you hold that breath. And as you exhale, feel that tension dissolve and leave as relaxation comes into your body. Prepare now to experience expanded gemstone awareness. You'll increase your ability to directly access intelligent, healing, and loving energies. Connecting with a particular stone stimulates, soothes, expands, and balances your energy field. Attraction to a particular stone is the result of a longing for that particular energy exchange to manifest more light. The energy field will respond with balance and strength. Toxins are released on all levels. Healing and rejuvenation increase with regular use. Take a moment now to scan the body. Make any necessary shifts to release tension. Any stressful thoughts or feelings are starting to wind down. Earth is magnetic and transforming, absorbing tensions from our force fields. You're already feeling clearer and lighter in spirit as the tension flows down safely. Take a moment to focus on your breath. Sense and feel air coming in with the inhalation. Sense and feel air returning to surrounding space as you exhale. With greater gemstone attunement and heightened awareness, you'll feel more light. Practiced regularly with openness, the positive influence on your life will be noticeable to others. You enjoy your stone already. Its harmonizing influence has been present from the moment you first connected. This may have been a feeling of well-being, a subtle awareness, a sense of feeling uplifted and more relaxed. It's time to expand the flow of gemstone energy. Focus on its presence. As you become more receptive, you more fully absorb its vibration. You smile at this thought. Take a moment now to focus on this inner smile. And whatever you focus on grows. Your inner smile is the smile of your higher self. It feels very good. Be aware of its flowing warmth. More and more tension is released. The body responds. The expansion in the energy field is tangible. Every muscle in the body is grateful to have this opportunity to fully relax, to experience healing energy. A balanced field means heightened awareness of other dimensions, as well as practical empowerment. Every part of you is receptive to this harmonizing vibration. You feel comfortable with your gemstone. You intuitively feel its harmonizing influence. You're more and more aware of energy flow. All your muscles, skin follicles, organs, joints, and bodily fluids are flowing and becoming more relaxed in this warmth. Connect with the gemstone in your awareness and allow your inner smile to be there. Your gemstone is sensitive to your vibrations. It's sensitive to your inner smile, and a wave of healing and loving energy flows from your gemstone. It carries songs, stories untold. You're sensitive to the feelings I describe. Your thoughts focus on the sights I describe. Your body starts to feel a beneficial wave. You're aware of your belly growing softer. Focus in, gently concentrate on your breath. Get in touch with your whole breathing process. Think about it, sense it, feel it, experience it in any way that feels comfortable to you. Notice the nice rhythm that happens every time you inhale and exhale. It's a very comfortable, relaxing rhythm, much like a metronome that's starting to slow down. Slow down. Inhaling and exhaling, slowing down. And now be aware of the top part of your head, your scalp, much like you did with your breathing. Get in touch with your scalp fully, with the feelings in your scalp. Sense and feel the muscles, the skin tissue, the hair follicles, and pay special attention to the muscles of the scalp. Allow those muscles to become just as comfortable, relaxed, and smooth as you'd like. Your crown chakra is gently opening in a way that feels safe, comfortable, and moderate. The mind is a very powerful thing. Anything that you need to do to enhance that feeling of smoothness and relaxation in those muscles, perfectly all right. For example, think of something smooth, like a quiet lake early in the morning. Not even a ripple on the water. You can clearly see the reflection of the other side. Or just as smooth as a gemstone. Very smooth. And then just let that feeling of smoothness and growing comfort and relaxation flow over you. Let it just sift through all the muscles in the scalp. And then just as if you were taking a relaxing shower, allow that feeling of comfort, smoothness, and relaxation to just flow down into the muscles of the forehead, smoothing them out, becoming relaxed and comfortable. Flowing comfortable relaxation as the wave of energy from the gemstone flows through. A wave flowing down into the muscles of the forehead, the temples, the cheeks, down into the chin, around the mouth. Just all of the facial muscles now comfortably and thoroughly and deeply relaxed. Such a good feeling, and when the body is relaxed, the mind follows. And now that comfortable, relaxing feeling continues on into the muscles of the neck. And the jaw is so relaxed, your teeth have slightly parted. And you're aware of the wave of energy from the gemstone flowing down into the muscles of the neck, the front, the back, the sides of the neck, and down at the base of the neck where we carry tension at times, just letting go, flowing comfortable relaxation across the shoulders, all the way across the shoulders, and down the arms, through the elbows, the forearms, the wrists, and the hands. Comfortably, thoroughly relaxed as the healing energy of your gemstone flows through. The hands and maybe even the scalp may tingle a little, may feel a little warm or a little cool. These sensations don't have to happen either way. It's very normal and natural. Nothing to be concerned about. Just enjoy the comfortable relaxation. Your breathing is excellent now. It has slowed down nicely.